Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present about the application prototype of the Sects, which is our project. Firstly, I will intro my group's member. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Fadil bin Ma'asri, number matrix 12111973. Secondly, Muhammad Adin Haizat bin Salahuddin 12122026. And lastly, Aris Izzuddin bin Muhammad Hashim 12119992. Firstly, we go to the introduction to our projects. Firstly, the meaning of mazhab in Islam refers to school of thought in jurisprudence, derived from the Arabic word zahaba, meaning to go. It signifies the path or opinion formed through scholars ijtihad in interpreting the Quran and Hadith to establish Sharia laws. Our group's prototype is an application called Sects, designed for public use. This app provides view from the four main Islamic school of thought, which is Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali, along with features like a Q&A session, prayer times, and daily prayers. Its goal is to promote a holistic understanding of Islamic diversity, fostering tolerance, and aiding users in making informed decisions on various perspectives. Next are the objectives for our project. Firstly, increase the comprehensive understanding of Islam. Its meaning, this app offers a complete view of Islamic law from the four main schools, that's helping user understanding the difference and similarities between the sects and promoting understanding of diversity in Islam. Secondly, facilitating access to authentic sources, which is by providing reference from trusted books, the Quran and Hadith. This app makes it easier for users to access reliable and accurate information about Islamic law. This ensures the answer to legal questions are well supported and correct. And lastly, the objective is simplifying decision making based on Islamic law. This app helps users make decisions based on Islamic law by comparing views from the four sects. Users can choose the view that best fits their context, such as place and time, and make decisions that align with Islamic teaching. Okay, the rationale of the projects. The four sects tool for Muslims seeking accessible and authentic Islamic knowledge. It provides insight into the four major Islamic schools of thought, which is Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali, through features like Q&A, prayer times, and daily prayers. By comparing views across sects, it promotes understanding, tolerance, and informed decision making, fostering unity in diversity, and strengthens Islamic practice in daily life. And this is the timeline for our project prototype, which is this table shows the timeline of progress in developing this application project, by which starting from week 2, which is information is conducted until week 13, which is the report for the writing. Okay, next we will explain about the design for our prototype project in the apps. Okay, when we look at the first logo, which is the icon at the top, there is a logo that may represent the identity or profile of our application. And next, the second, hidden login, which is under the logo. This button indicated that the user needs to log in into the access other function available in the application. And that's the Google button. This button allow user to log in their Google account. It simplifies the user login process because user do not need to remember the password if they already log in into the Google. And therefore, email button, this button user can log in using the registered email address and the password. and the last choice for the user to log in with telephone numbers. This shows that the user have the option to log in using their phone numbers. This may involve verification via SMS, which provide an additional level of security.
My name is Muhammad Daini Haizat bin Sarudin. My metric number 1212026. First, play menu. This is main option where the user can access all the other functions in the application. Second, profiles. This button allows users to learn about the background of four religious figures, namely Imam Shafi'i, Maliki, Hanafi, and Hanbali. Third, questions and answers. This section allows users to ask fiqh-related questions and get answers. It includes a question and answer also section about allow based on the views of four sets. Fourth, prayer time. This button provides information about prayer time specific to the user, possibly based on their location. It can help users to know the exact prayer time based on location. Fifth, daily prayer. This function may provide guidance or daily prayer readings for users. It's helping them in their daily practice. Last but not least, language options: English, Malay, and Arabic. This allows users to change or transform the application language according to their choice, making it more user-friendly for various backgrounds. First, profile page. This page is an information page that provides a brief overview of the biography or biodata of the four imams, including their full name, place of birth, year of birth, and death, major works, and the fields of study they studied. Users also can read and understand the role of each imam in the history of Islam. Okay, next slide, the search box. It is important features here. Functions to allow users to search for specific topics. For example, law of keeping dogs directly without having to select a particular set first. Home button returns the users to the main menu or initial interface of the application. First, main face, left image, school button include Shafi'i, Maliki, Hanafi, and Hanbali. Each button represents one of the main sets in Islam. When one is pressed, it takes the users to the legal view specific to the select sets. Second, content display, right picture. Legal topics. An example in the picture of the applications is law of keeping dogs. Detailed information law provides specific law based on the chosen school or sets. For example, the Hanafi school or sets allow dogs for certain purpose only. Reference book provides reference sources from any textbook and hadith to support the legal views presented. Third, navigation about the back button around arrow icon at top left allows users to return the home page. For the set options on content page, users can change the views of other sets without having to return to the main menu. Okay, next for this page, it provides convenience in knowing the entry time for the 5 daily prayers according to the desired location. For the location button, location pin icon, current location. It works to display the user's current location to get the exact prayer time based on the user's location. This button also gives the option to change or transform the location if need. For the date button, calendar icon. Example, month to June 19, 2024, 1 Zulhijjah 1446. It works to show the current date in Masihi and Hijrah formats. It also helps the user to check the prayer time on a particular day and provides a function to select another date. For the home button, home icon in below homes, It serves to bring the user back to the home page of the application. This home page usually displays prayer times, location, and their basic information. Okay, last from me, for this page provides convenience and encouragement in practicing daily prayer recitation that provides a perfect life for Muslims. This application also is not only useful for memorizing the prayer but also understanding its meaning. The main menu lists the list of daily prayers that can be read, so users only need to select and click on the reading title every one to read. Next, I will display the reading. Prayer display. Example, home prayer. Prayer next in Arabic. The prayer is given in Arabic script to facilitate users who want to read in the original language. Prayer translation. The meaning of prayer in English is provided to understand the meaning of each prayer. The back arrow icon takes the users back to the main menu or previous page.
Now we move to function of system. The Sects application function is a comprehensive platform to understand and access various views in Islamic law from the point of view of the four main sects, which is Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali. Next, this application provides a daily prayer recitation guide that helps users practice in their worship. And also, this application equipped with a prayer time function that provides accurate information about prayer time based on the user's current location. Next, one of the main functions of this application is to provide a question and answer session that allows user to ask a question related to law jurisprudence and get the right answer based on the question. And lastly, the Sects application is an educational tool that promotes tolerance and understanding among Muslims by providing access to various views and alternative sources. Now we will discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages of this project. The first advantage is general information. The app provides views from the four main Islamic sections, which is Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali, offering a complete overview of Islamic law. Second is authentic sources. Each view includes references from trusted books along with arguments from the Quran and Hadith, ensuring accurate and authentic information. Third is improved understanding. The app helps users understand the difference and similarities between Islamic sections. Fourth is easy and fast access. Users can quickly get answers to their question through the app without needing to consult physical books. And we move to disadvantages. First is diversity of opinion. Difference in interpretation between each section can confuse users who lack a deep understanding of Islamic law. Second, continuous updating requirement. Laws and fatwa may change over time, so the app must be updated regularly. Third is technological constraints. Users with less technology experience may find it hard to use the app properly. And fourth is availability of reference sources. Collecting and verifying valid arguments from different sources can be difficult and time-consuming, especially to ensure the law is delivered correctly. Now let's talk about difficulties during the development of the system. We have divided to 5 difficulties, which is one is developing the Sects application involves various challenges, including the diversity of opinion in Islamic law, while each section has its own interpretation and laws, potentially confusing users without a deep background in jurisprudence, and ensuring all views are presented accurately and fairly requires careful scrutiny. Second is another challenge is the need to constantly update the application, as Islamic laws and fatwa can change with time and context, requiring significant resources and collaboration with fiqh experts to ensure the information gains accurate and relevant. The third is the technical aspect is another challenge. As less technology is savvy, users may struggle to use the application efficiently, requiring a user-friendly interface, and through testing with user feedback to address any issue. Fourth is collecting and verifying authentic references sources is challenging, requiring arguments from recognized sources like classic book and hadiths, and ensuring accuracy to avoid errors that could cause confusion and misunderstanding among users. And lastly is promoting the application to a wider audience is challenging, requiring an effective marketing strategy and collaboration with educational institutions and most to raise awareness and highlighting its value in daily life. And our last slide is about the references. There are 3 references that we use in reference about our project apps, which is from the Introduction to Islamic Law, Cambridge University, Muhammad Abu Zahra Hashim Kamali, and Pejabat Mufti Wilayah Persekutuan Bagian Dinas Blok. And that's all from us. Thank you.